Now we need to find the absolute maximum minimum points for the function x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x plus 2 in the intervals negative 4x and 2. So just like in the last problem, we need to derive first. So 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. Now we need to factor out anything, which in this case is a 3. So 3 parentheses x squared plus 2x minus 3. And now use the CPP property or zero product property to find your zeros. Or first use dime method to find your factors for the x or plus 2x minus 3, AC over B. 3x would be your A, 6x would be your C, negative 9 your C, or 6 your B. So AC negative 27, or no, negative 3. So negative 3 over 2, and your factors will be 3, negative 1. So now just put that x plus 3 times x negative 1, and not use the CPP. X equals negative 3, x equals 1. So these are your critical points, and again you see they fall between your intervals, which they do. So now just make an XY chart again. And plug in all of your points. And solve for f of x. And this comes out to equal 4. Now for 1. Equals negative 3. Equals 29. And for 4. Equals 78. So now compare your answers and determine which one's your absolute maximum and your absolute minimum. In this case, your absolute max would be 78 under the point negative 4, and your minimum would be negative 3 under the point 1. So I'll just state that. So max is f of negative 4 equals 78, and absolute minimum is f1 equals negative 3. And you're done for that problem. So now on to the next one. For this problem, we need to find just the absolute minimum for f of x equals 2x times e to 2x between the intervals negative 1 and 1. So the same, we derive first. So for this one, we actually need to use the product property. So 2x times the derivative of e to 2x plus e to 2x times root of 2x, which equals 2x times e 2x times 2 plus e 2x times 2. Now just simplify. So 4x e to 2x plus 2e to the 2x. Now factor out whatever you can. In this case, just the 2, e to the 2x, which gives you 2e to the 2x times 2x plus 1. Set it equal to 0 and use the zero product property. So this cannot be defined because, as you know, e to 2x or any e in any situation never meets an x because of asymptotes. So this doesn't have an x. So now find the x for the other one, which would be negative 1/2. So now set up a x and y table and plug in all of your points. And just solve again for f of x. This comes out and equals 14.778. Now for 1/2, negative 1/2, 2, negative 1/2 times e to the 2 times negative 1/2, which equals negative 0.368. And now 2, negative 1 times e to the 2, negative 1, which equals negative 2.271. Compare your answers and determine which one's your absolute minimum. In this case, your minimum would be negative 0.368 at point f equals negative 1. So just state that. And you're done for this one. So this has been the extreme value theorem. We are now done.